Hey, Stepney.
Hey, Thomas. What you up to, man?
No, I'm not. I'm just, just going around places.
Oh, okay. Don't you have any, work to do?
I did, but I just, finished it.
Okay. Hey, Alba. Hey. What you doing here? You should be at the car, man.
Yeah, I know. It's just that, Stepney needed help with something, and,
Really? What you need help with? I guess he didn't need much help. So, you gonna tell me what the doing here?
Arr! He's probably waiting for the new engine's arrival.
yeah.
There he is! Thomas, Oliver, give a warm welcome to Harvery!
Thank you, Salty. And, hello to you too.
Hey, Harvery.
Why does it look like that?
Aye, that's because he be a crane engine. He's like Cranky on wheels. Isn't that right? What's a lovely matey. Anyways, I'll leave you three alone so you can get acquainted with one another.
I hate grain.
Hey, Harvery.
Oh, hi, Thomas.
I'm Oliver, actually. Thomas is the blue one. Anyways, you doing good?
I don't know. The railway itself is nice, but I don't think the engines really like me. They don't even say anything to me. They just stare at me funny.
Yeah, pretty much what I expected.
What?
Let me tell you something, Hub. Back when I first joined this railway, I went through the same thing that you're going through right now. Actually, no, it was worse for me. They didn't just look at me funny. They would pick on me for all kinds of stuff. My face, my dome, my funnel, even the fact that I'm from the Great West, and anything they could use against me, they used. But you know what? I just stopped giving a shit. I focused on my own lane, and I stopped giving a shit about what the others said about me. Nowadays, if anyone gets in my way, they immediately regret it. Because if they're fucking with me, they're fucking with the best.
Okay, I get the message, but you're a pretty normal engine. But look at me. I'm a crane engine. They're just gonna laugh at me.
I have an idea.
What? Who was that?
Oh, that's Toad.
Toad? Who's Toad?
Greetings, Mr. Harvery. As I was saying, I have a plan in mind that is gonna make you earn some respect from the other engines.
Oh, jeez. I don't know. I'm sure gonna mess it up. Whatever it is.
Don't be so negative, Mr. Harvery. It's quite simple, really. Here's what I have in mind. Tomorrow at around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m.
Well, that settles that for today.
Oh, Dennis!
Oh, hey, Oliver.
How's it going with the money? You didn't forget, did you?
Oh, no, I didn't forget. I'm still working on it, you see. I'll have it soon, though, I promise.
You said the same thing last week.
I know. I had some complications.
What complications?
Well, I
Relax, will ya? I'm just fooling around. Please hurry with the money, though.
No, I'm working on it. Oh, what?
Harvery, I told you, not at the face.
Sorry, Mr. Oliver, I'm not very good at aiming.
It's fine, whatever. Let's just get him on a flatbed or something.
Did he do that?
Yeah, I did. You got a problem with that? Huh?
No,
Huh?
no, I don't have a problem. No, I actually would have done the same thing. If you let me go, I'll never bother you again. Okay, you'll never see me again. I'm sorry. Don't hurt me.
You better keep your word then.
Yeah.
So, how was that? Did I force it too much?
Not at all, Mr. Harvery. You passed the test. You're now officially part of the Little Western. Congratulations.
Oh my god. This is the best day of my life. Hooray!
Oh, yes, it's great to be an associate of the Little Western. Making your offer, earning respect, taking care of laws and values is necessary. Driving implement all day. If there is someone who's giving you trouble, or you just ain't there from your nuts. If there is someone you want to be clear, don't worry, we're your guys. Yes, it's great to be an associate of the Red Western. Managing way, exposing the heavy hands. The world is yours once you're in the Red Western. Eating gabagool.